Hi everybody, I'm Paula Casey McGee and I'm a soft sculpture fairy doll artist. My group has been here uh, almost 5 years. It'll be 5 years this October in 2023. And we've got quite a large library worth of things. um, Posts with video tutorials on how to create fairy wings, crystal fairy wings, fiber art pieces, which I've got recently just a little instruction on using our fiber art post that we created, big sheets of fiber art from scraps and threads and wonderful things, and paint even onto the fiber art. We used that to create some wings for some dolls that I made recently. I don't know. I get lost. Anyway, I think this art medium is a wonderful way for us to connect with people, for us to fellowship, for us to express ourselves in this figurative fiber art medium. You know, cloth and fibers, fabric can be manipulated in so many ways. It's warm and it's textural, and it's just a wonderful medium to use for, expressing yourself, for using as a therapy for healing processes. And it shows here in this group that it has been used for therapy. And if you watch or read every post, you'll find that out. I know personally I went through some things 2 or 3 years ago that my group were just the best people on earth. I hope you give us a try. Come in and see what we're all about. And I love you guys. Thanks for giving me a minute and letting me butt into your day. I love you, and I hope to see you soon.